A pure driver's machine, lightweight, balanced, and engineered with emotion. Today we dive into the 2025 Lotus Emira, where modern performance meets true sports car purity. Close-up of the intake geometry shows twin-scroll turbo tuning, efficient intercooling, and short intake tracks engineered to support strong mid-range torque and quick throttle response on demand. Bright showroom lights reveal the Emira's long bonnet and low nose, combining reduced frontal area with precise intakes to optimize cooling and aerodynamic balance for high-speed stability. Emira suspension features bespoke adaptive dampers and tuned anti-roll strategies, allowing precise body control while absorbing surface irregularities for consistent lap times and driver confidence under pressure. The lightweight chassis uses bonded aluminum and composite panels to reduce mass, improving power to weight and enabling sharper turn-in and more predictable handling at the limit with confidence. The 8-speed DCT delivers lightning shifts and maintains torque during changes, enabling both rapid acceleration and smooth power delivery for everyday usability and track aggression without compromise. Brake performance centers on two-piece ventilated rotors and multi-piston calipers, providing consistent pedal feel and thermal stability during repeated high-speed deceleration efforts across demanding test sessions reliably. The Emira's tire choices and wheel geometry focus on low rolling resistance while providing lateral grip, giving precise steering feedback through progressive slip and predictable thresholds consistently. Cooling architecture integrates enlarged intercoolers, ducting, and optimized inlet paths, preventing heat soak and sustaining peak power during multiple high-speed runs or performance degradation issues. The steering system combines electric assistance with mechanical feel tuning, delivering accurate center return, minimal kickback and communicative feedback at any pace while inspiring driver confidence always instantly. Weight distribution near the ideal rear mid-bias enhances traction off the line and corner exit grip, allowing the engine's torque to be used efficiently with minimal loss. Weight distribution near the ideal rear mid-bias enhances traction off the line and corner exit grip, allowing the engine's torque to be used efficiently with minimal loss. Launch control and adaptive traction modes calibrate torque delivery to suit tires, temperature, and surface, protecting driveline while extracting the quickest accelerations with repeatable consistency each run. Manual and DCT options reflect Lotus' focus on driver engagement, offering tactile shifting or lightning-fast automated swaps depending on the owner's preference and comfort and track use. Braking systems integrate cooling ducts and high-friction pads, tuned to provide immediate bite and consistent feel through repeated heavy deceleration zones without fade over multiple laps reliably. Suspension geometry uses anti-dive and progressive roll stiffness to maintain contact patch under braking, delivering neutral turn-in and predictable weight transfer for repeatable lap time consistency and confidence. Engine calibration favors a broad torque curve, giving immediate response off the line and a potent mid-range that supports overtakes without excessive downshifts or loss of momentum anywhere. Chassis tuning provides a communicative ride, compliant enough to absorb imperfections but stiff enough for sharp turn-in and controlled roll characteristics on track with exquisite balance always intuitively. Transmission cooling and oil scavenging systems are designed to preserve shift quality under extreme conditions, keeping hydraulic actuation crisp and temperatures stable during repeated, high-speed testing sessions. Tire pressure management and camber settings are matched to wheel choice to maximize contact patch during cornering while reducing unwanted scrub and heat buildup for longevity consistently. Aero transitions are subtle yet effective, with small lips and vortex generators guiding airflow to reduce drag peaks and generate steady rear pressure for improved high-speed stability. Driver aids offer adjustable intervention levels, from full stability control down to minimal assistance, enabling skilled drivers to exploit the car's natural balance without compromising safety standards. Ultimately, the Emira marries lightweight agility, refined forced induction tuning and race-inspired chassis calibration into a driver's tool that rewards precision, courage and a desire to push limits safely.